Good afternoon. I'm Jocelyn Wenk, Associate Director of the Long Island Index, which is a project of the Roush Foundation. The Roush Foundation, we're based in Garden City on Long Island. We've been working to improve quality of life both on Long Island and also in Maryland since 1961. It's a family foundation. And one of our more recent initiatives is the Build a Better Burb website, which is a project of the Long Island Index. And the site was actually an outgrowth of a design competition that we held in 2010, looking at bold new ideas for Long Island's downtowns and train station areas, from designers, visionaries, planners, architects, students. And from this site, from the competition, the site then morphed into an online journal of suburban design with every week we publish new articles about some of the best practices in design that are applicable to suburbia, and also some of the best ideas for getting more out of our downtowns and train station areas. Next slide. Just this past January, we released the designs from a design challenge that we hosted, the Parking Plus Design Challenge. The Long Island Index knows from our research that we have more than 4,000 acres of land in and around our downtowns that's devoted to surface parking lots. So it's acres and acres and acres of asphalt that we could be using to build new housing, to hold on to the region's young people, that we could be using instead for new businesses, to create new jobs, that we could be using in all kinds of creative ways that we're not currently. So here were the 4 design proposals from the Parking Plus Design Challenge. At upper left is a proposal for Ronkonkoma for the train station area there from Roger Sherman Architecture and Urban Design. Upper right is the Civic Arches proposal by UTEAL, a firm based in Boston, for Rockville Center. Lower left is a project from Dub Studios for Patchogue, and it's a project called the Main Street Brackets Project. And then at lower right is a project called Train Terraces, which was designed by LTL Architects for Westbury. So if you're not familiar with the designs, if this is new to you, I very much encourage you to take a look at the site, at the web, find the designs. We also have postcards available at the table as you are exiting today of each of the designs. So you can learn more about these ideas and where they're going to hopefully be taking Long Island going forward. Finally, I just wanted to touch base briefly on a new theme that we're going to be pursuing on the Build a Better Burb site, which is the theme of resiliency, as we've been discussing today. We'll be publishing a new article in a few weeks that's the first in a series on the theme of resiliency, in this case looking at more resilient Rockaway and how those ideas are applicable to Long Island. So if any of you have suggestions, recommendations for themes we might pursue on the site related to resiliency, by all means, reach out to me. Let me know. And thank you very much. We're delighted to be here today.